Hello everyone. Welcome to Medora Health, your trusted channel for natural health and wellness. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very important topic for men: sperm health and how to increase sperm count and strength naturally. So if you're facing issues like weak sperm, low sperm count, or infertility, watch this video till the end. You'll learn everything you need to improve your sperm quality naturally. 1. What causes weak or low sperm count? Let's start by understanding the causes. Low sperm count can happen due to several reasons: unhealthy diet, stress and anxiety, smoking or alcohol use, lack of proper sleep, obesity, overheating of the testicles, and sometimes hormonal imbalance. These factors reduce the number and quality of sperm, making it harder to conceive. 2. Best foods to boost sperm count naturally. Now let's talk about the best foods for improving sperm health. Eggs. They are rich in protein and vitamin A, which protects sperm cells from damage. Fish and seafood, especially salmon and tuna, which contain omega-3 fatty acids that improve sperm movement and shape. Pumpkin seeds, full of zinc, which is essential for sperm production and testosterone. Citrus fruits, like oranges and lemons, rich in vitamin C that helps prevent sperm from clumping together. Walnuts and almonds. These nuts are full of antioxidants that improve sperm shape and motility. Dark chocolate contains L-arginine, which increases sperm count and boosts fertility naturally. Add these foods to your daily meals for better results. 3. Things you must avoid for better sperm health. To improve sperm naturally, you also need to stop harmful habits. Quit smoking and alcohol. They reduce sperm count and damage sperm DNA. Avoid junk food, fast food, and sugary drinks. They affect hormone balance. Don't wear tight underwear. It increases heat and lowers sperm production. Reduce stress. Meditation, yoga, or light exercise can help. A clean lifestyle means better fertility. 4. Exercise and sleep for sperm health. Daily exercise is very important. Do walking, running, or yoga for at least 30 minutes every day. Exercise increases blood circulation and improves testosterone levels naturally. Also, get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Your body produces and repairs sperm during deep sleep, so rest is essential for fertility. 5. Natural herbs and home remedies. There are some natural herbs that can help increase sperm count safely. Ashwagandha increases sperm count, motility, and testosterone levels. Maca root boosts sexual energy and improves sperm quality. Ginseng strengthens sperm and enhances libido. Tribulus terrestris, known to increase testosterone and sperm. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Medora Health for more natural health tips. Take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.